Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's video about using the AverageIf formula to organize and analyze data in Google Sheets. The AverageIf function returns the average of cells in a range that meet a given criterion. My name is Parker London, and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. In this video, we will use the AverageIf formula to discover averages from a dataset. The criteria range, criterion, and average range are the three sections of the formula. To follow along, find the start file bundled with this module and save it under your own name. Here we have a spreadsheet with data from our sales of this year, and we want to find the average for each quarter. Click on cell F3 and type in equals AverageIf, then an open parentheses. Now, there are three parameters we need to specify in this formula: the range of values we will be testing, the criteria testing that range of values, and the corresponding range of values used to calculate the average. To define the range, type in B3 to B19. You can also click and drag to select these cells. Sheets will look at these cells to see if they match the criteria, the next part of the formula, and if they do, it will include them in the calculation. Before we specify the requirements, we will want to set this data set as an absolute reference so we can autofill the formula into the other cells. To do this, press F4 on your keyboard or type a $ before the row and the column like this. Now, type a comma to move on to the next section. Next, we are going to choose the criteria we want to apply a filter to. We are looking to get the average from all the values in quarter 1, so we are going to set that as our criteria. Click on cell E3, which includes the value Q1. This will not be an absolute cell reference, so Q2, Q3, and Q4 will align with the correct cells when autofilled. Now, type a comma to move to the next section. To define the average range, type C3 to C19. Hit the F4 key to make this an absolute cell reference. Now, hit enter and we will have the average value of all the sales from Q1. To fill the other quarters, use autofill by hovering over the bottom corner of cell F3, then click and drag down to cell F6. This will calculate the averages for Q2, Q3, and Q4. In this video, we used the AverageIf formula to analyze data and calculate the average by defining the range, criteria, and range of values. This formula is useful in a variety of situations, especially with large datasets. For more information about Google Sheets and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.